Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night from where or when you're watching this video. This is John from ITSKILLSACADEMY with yet another video. And in today's video, I'll just be showcasing an Instagram clone created using TAILWIND CSS. This video will just be a demo, but in subsequent videos I'll be showing you how you can be able to create this Instagram clone using TAILWIND CSS. So if that is something that interests you, I would request you to leave a comment in the comment section below. And if you have subscribed to this channel, you'd like to smash that notification bell. That way you're notified when this video is available. If you have not subscribed, then I would request you to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, because I promise you that you're going to learn a lot. Part of it being how you can be able to create an Instagram clone using TAILWIND CSS. And also remember that I've also created the Facebook clone still using TAILWIND CSS. So you'd like to check out the channel and you're going to see the videos there, of course, among other videos. So just coming back to this, as you can see, what we are just seeing right now is just something similar to Instagram. So this is the one that I've created, and here we have the original Instagram, and that is the web version. And just to take you through this clone, let's just have a tour here. So from the very top here, we can see that we have the icon appearing here, and of course the Instagram appearing there. And just to start from the very left here, we have this beautiful navigation here, starting with the Instagram logo. And of course now we have the various navigation items. So we have the home there, we have the search, we have explore, and all that, all through to more. And of course you can be able to see that we have that cool hovering effect. So that is the beautiful navigation area just appearing over there. And at the middle here we now have the stories. It is beautiful circles. You also notice that we have this a beautiful ring or border around that specific circle. So we'll be learning how you can be able to create that. You also notice that ring has a gradient color, so it's purple, pink, and orange, similar to what we have with Instagram over here. Okay, so moving forward, of course, now we have the post. So this is the profile of whoever has posted that post. We have the name. It also has a blue tick, and when it was posted, the ellipsis, just to access more. Yeah, the post itself, of course, this is the image, and the caption appears here, the number of likes, and of course we have this. All this is dummy, but just a replica of what we have in Instagram. And you can also be able to write your comment. So like here is where you can write your comment. So yeah, so something like that. So down here we just have just something similar to what we have on top there. So that's the feeds section. And of course now we have this other component on the far right. This is your profile image, your name. You can be able to switch if you have different accounts. Suggestions appear here, and of course we can be able to see the footer section here. So Instagram from Meta. And what is even beautiful about this is that it is responsive. So let me just show you that. You notice that at this specific level we're able to see all the different components, but now if I now like take it to a mobile size, now we are only going to see the feeds section, and now the navigation appears down here. The navigation section just appear down here. So you have your profile, you can go back to home, you can be able to add a post, comments, explore, stories, or reels, all that will be able to appear there. Now when we get to the full page, now we'll be able to view all the components, just like you would expect in the real Instagram. That is the web version. Yes, see, this is now the Instagram. So let's just try to see, just try to resize it like something like that. and you'll notice that now this navigation section in a mobile size, yeah, it will appear down here just as you would expect, which is the same now with the one that I've created here. Yeah, so that is the Instagram cron that I've created using TAILWIND CSS. Again, if that's something that interests you, would like to just leave a like, share this video with us, with your friends, and that way we can be able to share this knowledge. So kindly remember that I've just said that I'll be showing you how you can be able to create this specific cron using TAILWIND CSS in my subsequent videos. So don't forget to turn on the notification bell, that way you'll be notified when this video is available. So having said that, and without so much ado, see you in the next one. Adios.